Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Differences between civil negligence and criminal negligence. In civil negligence, the damage is minor. In criminal negligence, the damage is major. Action of patient. In civil negligence, the patient goes to the civil court or consumer court. In criminal negligence, the patient goes to the police. Civil negligence, the complaint is between the doctor, patient versus doctor in civil negligence. In criminal negligence, the complaint is filed as state versus doctor in case of criminal negligence. Action of court. If there is civil negligence, we give compensation. We ask the court directs the doctor to pay compensation for civil negligence. If there is criminal negligence, then the court might imprison the doctor or the court might put fine or both to the patient. Patient
thank you and thank you for watching.